Miss Pixel, and I'm back today with hamburger potato casserole. For that, I'm going to need about a pound of potatoes sliced, medium onion diced, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, a pound of hamburger, a can of cheddar soup, a can of evaporated milk, about a fourth of a cup of heavy cream, a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and paprika, and a sprinkle of parsley for the top. Shouldn't be that bad. So, you know the drill. Let's go. And my first step will be to add our heavy cream and the can of evaporated milk into our cheese soup and mix that up thoroughly. Next, I'll be getting our beef browned up and adding in our onions. This can cook together until the onions are cooked thoroughly and the beef is browned. And when our beef is almost done cooking, we'll add in our garlic and our spices to that mix. I'm going to start off our casserole once the beef is all cooked with a nice layer of our potatoes. And I'll be adding one of our beef. Over that, we'll be pouring some of our cheese milk mixture, of course, and cream. And we will add, until it is used up, some more layers of our potato and beef with, of course, more sauce poured over it. Okay, I've got our casserole together a lot like you would a lasagna with just layers of potatoes, hamburger, and our soup mixture. And it's going to go into the oven at 400 for the next hour. I've got the casserole out of the oven, and I'm going to be topping that off with some cheese and putting it back in for the next 10 minutes, staying at 400 degrees. When we're done with the cheese, we're going to top it off with some of our parsley just for a garnish. Once that's out of the oven, I'll let it set for a good 10 minutes or so, and then we get to try it on out. Now that the casserole is cooled down, I've dished up some, spread it around a little, and now we're going to try it out. Get a nice bite of potatoes and the hamburger and the cheese. Let's go. Well, I gotta say, this is a simple and delicious casserole. It's a very nice creamy combo. Tastes a lot like, honestly, a hamburger, like helper casserole would. And it's easy to throw together from scratch instead of having to rely on box mixes. It wasn't all that expensive either, so if you like cheesy casseroles, think this looked amazing, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it. I will see you in the next video.